Hello, my name is Sushmita. I came across RakkehnHo when my husband was in severe pain. Back in the day, he was my best friend. So we're married now, and he was suffering from fibromyalgia as a post-COVID consequence. And this affected his body very much. Like, he was in deep pain, he was insomniac, he was needing help. So we tried our hand at different things. We went to different doctors, but nothing really worked. But RakkehnHo has. So that kind of motivated both of us to learn. But probably he's going to learn in the next course. So I'm here for my family. Just to ease them off their pains, and especially for my husband, who's battling with fibromyalgia. And and I must say, RakkehnHo is so relieving. It's such a boon. I can't emphasize enough. It's for you to go ahead and try for yourself.